Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to build a animated component app. Let's start. Let's start a project named Animation and import an extension called fluffy.ax. The link for the extension is provided in the description box. Now let's drag 4 buttons for different 4 animations. Okay, now let's drag a vertical arrangement for the animation view. Okay, now let's change some preferences of the buttons. Drag a label inside the vertical arrangement for to be animated. Let's change some properties of the label. Let's go to the coding section. Let's initialize a variable named number. It's just for the animation of the label. Now let's call a procedure to set the label to the global variable number. Okay, now let's increment the global variable number by 1. Let me show you. Okay, now let's drag a button click event. Let's drag the button 1 click event and call the procedure, because we want to call the procedure whenever the button clicks. Now let's give the animation to the label. There are so many animations for the label. I'm just using some of them. You can try all the animations. Here is some example for how to use. The animation works on any vertical or horizontal arrangements. I'm going to use 4 different animations, so I am duplicating this block and changing some properties of the animations. Okay, that's it. Let's test our app. It's working perfectly according to the animation. Okay, let's find out.